everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have such a fun video. I want to paint on my phone case. Well, actually two phone cases. The small one is for an iPhone that my children use for games and stuff like that, and the larger one is my personal phone case. Both cases are very old and worn out, and instead of buying new ones, I just wanted to give them a makeover and make them fresh again. So without further ado, come along with me and let's art today. So like I mentioned, these cases are very old to the point that they have holes and rips. And my phone case is actually a fabric one, so it was fraying everywhere. To prepare them, I will give them a good coat of gesso white paint to prime the area that I will paint on. And here's how the phone cases look now that they are completely dried. I was still unaware how the gesso paint was going to react to my phone case since it was a fabric, but it worked out just fine. And I will start sketching on my phone case first. It's kind of hard to see what I am sketching out, but the design I want for my phone case is to have paint drips coming down onto the phone, and then at the bottom have black and white stripes. It's a pretty simple concept, but it's one of my favorite things to create. I am using my Posca paint pens to fill in my design on my phone case, and I am filling in the drips by using the rainbow color sequence: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple until it's completely filled. As I'm filling in my paint drips dripping, if you can please take this moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also be sure to click on that bell notification so YouTube can always notify you when I upload new content. And if you do like this type of content, hit that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, and it does let me know that you love art as much as I do. Now that I have my paint drips all filled in, I'm going in with a black Posca paint pen and filling in the black stripes on the bottom of my phone case. I'm taking that same black Posca pen and outlining all the drips, then adding more drip-like details on top of each painted section. Now I'm going in with a white Posca paint pen to add my highlights to the paint drips all over the edges and the new details that we added, so it makes it look like it's wet and runny. And the last thing I did to this phone case was add a layer of glossy Mod Podge to the top of it so that I can seal the painting on my phone case. And here's how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. Every time I look at it, it just makes me so happy. I know that it's simple and I've done it before, but like I said, this is my personal phone case and I love it. Moving on to the next phone case. I wanted to keep this design simple because it will go on the phone mostly played by my children. And I know that they like my little doodle creatures, and that is what I sketched onto this phone case. This little guy made another appearance in a different video that I made. If you would like to see that, I will leave a card here in the upper right hand corner for you, and also in the description box below. Now that my creature friend is all sketched out, I'm going in first with a bright green paint pen and filling him in completely. Now I'm taking some orange and filling in his eyes and his teeth. To give my creature guy some more details, I'm going in with a darker green and outlining all of his features. Next, I will go in with a black one and give him his pupils and also outline him completely. I love doing this part and then watching it back because you just see my little creature come to life and it looks so awesome. And lastly, I'm going in with some white to give him highlights all over, and then add some gray for some shadowing to him as well. I did add a layer of glossy Mod Podge to the top of this phone case as well, just to seal him in and make sure that he lasts for a little while. And here's how my creature phone case turned out. I think he is so cute, so adorable. I just love his face, and I really love how that glossy Mod Podge really sticks everything down and it gives it like a plastic texture on top. I don't know, it's crazy, but I just love how this turned out. Here are both phone cases side by side, and I absolutely love them. I really enjoyed this project. Every time I see them, they just make me so happy. If you like them as much as I do, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and I would love to know down in the comments section which one out of the two designs was your favorite for today. I honestly would have to say that my favorite would be my phone case, which are the paint drips dripping down, but I really love my doodle creature as well. I feel like my doodle creatures do not get enough love on here. If you would like to check out more of my doodle creatures, I'll be sure to link it here in the upper right hand corner for you, and also the playlist down in the description box as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.